everyone, it's Mrs. Schoenhofen. Today we are going to do another video lesson together, okay? So it's going to be a little bit different than regular class, but hopefully we'll get back to normal very soon. I want you to take another minute or two before the lesson begins and make sure you know how to pause and play the video, because you're going to have to do that again just like in our Super Kids video yesterday, okay? Try to press pause and try and push play. Did everybody try to do that? You know where that button is? If you know, then you're ready to move on. If you're not sure, I want you to go find a grown-up and ask them to help you find how to pause and play the video in case you need to stop it to do some work, okay? All right. Today, my friends, we are going to work on some math things. We're going to talk all about numbers, and we're going to talk a lot about the idea of one more. You guys are super good at this, so I'm sure it will be an easy peasy day. You just do the best that you can with our video lesson to follow the directions and do your work. Sound like a plan? Okay, let's get started. We are going to start with a game. Mrs. Schoenhofen has all of our numbers here in number order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to ask you to close your eyes in a minute, and I'm going to take this penny and I'm going to hide one of the numbers. I'm going to give you a little bit of think time, and you're going to have to think. What number did Mrs. Schoenhofen hide? Do you think we could play? Okay, ready? Everyone, close your eyes. No peeking. Open. Think. What number is one more than 4 and it's one less than 6? Do you know? 5. Very good. 5 was our hidden number. Let's try another one. Everyone close your eyes. No peeking. Close them. Open. A little trickier. Think. What number comes after 8? It's one more than 8. Oh, and it's one less than 10. Did you say 9? Good job. It's 9. Okay, close your eyes. Open. Oh. Think this one through. We need a number that's one more than 7, and it's one less than 9. Did you say 8? Good thinking. Close your eyes. Open. What number is one more than 2, and it's one less than 4? Did you say 3? Good work. Let's try one more. You ready? Close your eyes. Open. What number is one more than 5, but it's one less than 7? 6. Very good. Let's take a look at our next quick game. It's a piggy bank game. Super quick and easy. Mrs. Schoenhofen's going to put some coins in the piggy bank. I want you to count them. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. What would happen if I put one more? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you tell me it was going to be 4? Good. Now I have 4 pennies in my bank. What would happen if I took one away? How many are left? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. One less is 3. Now I have 3 pennies in my bank. What would happen if I took one away? 3, 1 less is, did you tell me 2? Good. If we had 3 and took 1 away, it would leave us with 2. Now I have 2 pennies in my bank. What would happen if I took 1 more away? Let's see. Ooh, 2. 1 less is 1. Very good. Now I have 1 penny in my bank. What would happen if I put in 1 more? Ta-da! Did you tell me 2? 1, 2. It would make 2 pennies. 1 more is 2. Now I have 2 pennies in my bank. What would happen if I put in 1 more? Good. Did you tell me 3? 2, 1 more is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 3 pennies in my bank. What would happen if I put 1 more? Good. Did you tell me 4? 3, 1 more is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to put in 1 more. Does anyone know what 1 more than 4 would be? 4, 1 more is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Friends, we are going to go right into our problem set in our math packets. So I want you to take out your binders, please. I want you to go to the purple math paper, and we are going to be working in the orange math packet now. Can everyone find the orange one? You go to your purple paper. Our new math packet's orange. We are all done with the blue one. We're going to be working in orange. Remember, it has the picture of the boy working on the chalkboard. And our letters are orange. Can everybody find that and take it out? And when you have it, we're going to look at the very first page inside that orange math packet. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, get yourself ready, and press play whenever you're ready to start again. All right, my friends, are you ready to go? Great. All we need right now are orange math packets and a pencil. I want you to open up to the very first page inside that new orange math packet, and it should look just like Mrs. Shane Hawkins. Open it up. Good. All right, my friends. Our job is to look at some of our 5 group cards. Do you see how there's 5 group cards at the top? You guys are super good with these 5 group cards. Your job is to think about that number and write that number. Do you think you could do this first one? I bet you could. Think about it. Take your pencil and write that number in the box. We should be writing the number 1. Pull straight down and you're done. This is the number 1. Now, my friends, they want us to take our 5 group card and pretend to stand it up on its head. Let Mrs. Shane Hawkins find her number 1 5 group card. Here it is. So our 5 group card looks like this. Now we're going to stand it on its head. And we need to draw it in that empty box at the bottom. So we know we're going to draw 1 circle over in the bottom left-hand corner, just like this. Your turn. Take your pencil. Show me 1, just like on a 5 group card. And we can leave those circles empty. Just draw a nice circle there for me. 1, 1, 1. These are all ways to show 1. Good, I'll give you a minute to finish that up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, stop. Let's look back up at the top at our 5-group cards. Let's look at this 5-group card. Hey, hold on a second. Do you notice anything? This one's 1. This one has 1 more. Let's think about our 1 mores. 1 more is, write it in the box. What number is that? What number means 1 more than 1? Did everybody write a nice kindergarten 2 for me? If you didn't, work on that too. Very good. 1 more is 2. There's 1 more dot. It must be 2. Now we're going to pretend to take our 5-group card and we're going to stand it on its head. So here's our 5-group card 2. Donk. If we stand it up, it just looks like this. 1 stacked on top of our 2. It is still 2. Let's practice drawing it this way. Everyone have their pencils? Okay, I'm going to start in my left corner. I'm going to draw 1 circle, and right on top, 2. Your turn. Draw 1, 2. 1 more is 2. Finish that up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, stop. All right, my friends, great job. Let's look at the next 5-group card up here at the top. Think. Hey, do you notice anything? I noticed that it kind of looks like the 2, but there's 1 more. Let's think about our 1 mores. 2, 1 more is, yeah, you should be saying 3, Mrs. Shanehoffen. 2, 1 more is 3. This is a 5-group card for 3. Everyone, backwards C, backwards C. That's the way to make that 3. Go ahead, write your 3. And now, of course, we're going to take our 3 5-group card. Stand it on its head. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go from bottom to top. Easy peasy. Let's do it. Start at the bottom left corner. 1, 2, 3. You do. Good. Remember, we try and make our things all about the same size in a nice, neat line so we could easily see them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, friends, do you notice how they kind of look like little stairs here? 1, 2, 3. 1 more each time. Great, let's look up at the top. Oh, this one's already done for us. Easy peasy. Look, everybody. I notice that there's 3 dots here and 1 more. 3, 1 more is, it's 4, and it's already there. Let's practice tracing this kindergarten 4. I go down, slide over, pick it up, down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Very good. 4. And oh, they already took that 4 5-group card for us and stood it on its head. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, all in a nice row. Great, let's try this last one, okay, friends? Oh, I bet you know what this is. Quick, quick, quick. Yeah, that whole top row is filled. But let's go back and think about the 1 more way today, okay? I noticed that there's 4 dots and 1 more dot. 4, 1 more is 5. Good, write that number 5 for me in the box. Good, slide, stop, pull down, stop, up and around, it's a 5. How'd it go? Good. Remember, if it's ever going too fast and you need more time to make your letters, you push that pause button like we talked about. All right, my friends, let's take this 5 card, stand it up on its head. Easy peasy. We're going to start at the bottom and we're going to make our way up to the top in a nice row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try and draw it together. Start at the bottom, please. All the way over on the left side. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very important they're all in a row. We can't have some in the line and then some over here. Then you have to erase because you made them a little bit too big. Okay, friends? They all have to fit together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. We just practiced our numbers the one more way, and we practiced doing them in our 5 group cards too. I say, you say, 1. 1 more is 2. 2. 1 more is 3. 3. 1 more is 4. 4. 1 more is 5. Great job. And you guys are going to work on some 1 mores for homework too. But we're not quite ready for that direction. We need to work on the back side of this paper first. Everyone turn the page. Look at the back side of the paper we just worked on. There's a bunch of balloons and basketballs. Great. Okay, here's our job. Our first job is to count how many. Let's do these balloons together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Freeze! Don't write the number 4 in that box because we have another job. Are you ready? We know there are 4 balloons here, but we want to draw 1 more. Can everyone draw me 1 more balloon? Great. Now let's think about this new number. 4. 1 more is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our new number 5 in the box. There were 4. 1 more is 5. Great. Okay, you ready? Let's look at these basketballs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Freeze. Don't write 6. Let's look at these basketballs again. Did you notice anything about them? They are the 5 group way. Look. 5, 6. Oh, that was so much faster to count that way. 5, 6. Now we need to draw 1 more. Everyone take your pencil, draw 1 more. It doesn't have to be fancy. You could just draw a circle like Shane Hoffen. Ooh, now this is going to be a little bit trickier. Let's think. 6. 1 more is 7. And if we weren't sure, we could count them. We could count them 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or the 5 group way to be faster. 5, 6, 7. Take your pencil. You write the number 7. Good job, guys. Alrighty. Down here, I see some balloons. Here's your job. I want you to count them, draw 1 more, and write your new number. I want you to push pause on our video and try it. Press pause. Okay, friends, you should have counted your balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should have drawn 1 more. And then you had to think. 6, One more is 7. Does yours look like mine? If it doesn't, that's okay. You erase it and fix it. Pause the video and fix it up. If you are ready, let's look at this last group of basketballs. Your job is the same. I want you to count them, draw one more, and write your new number in the box. Press pause, do your work, and press play when you're ready to check. Okay, we should have counted these basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and they're the 5 group way. 5, 6, 7, 8. We should have drawn one more. And now, my friends, we have to think. 8. One more is 9. Oh, look, and it's 9 the 5 group way. 5 on top, 4 below. 8. One more is 9. How'd it go? Great job. Pretty easy stuff today. We are all done in our math packets. You guys can close them up. And let's put our math packet back in our binder so you know where to find it the next time we need it. Take out those binders. Purple math paper. Put in. Oh, when we open, we should see our orange homework. Let's take that out. We'll talk about that next. Orange homework packet. And we'll put away our orange math packet like we use in school. Great. When you have out your orange homework packet, you're going to open up to the very first page inside, and it's going to look like this. It's going to look just like what we did in class together today, except you're going to be working on some bigger numbers here, okay? You need to look at the 5 group card. You need to write that number. Remember to be thinking about the one mores. Every 5 group card is showing one more dot. Then you're going to take your 5 group card and pretend to stand it up on its head. And these ones, friends, are all going to have your 5 and then some more. And you'll draw them standing up over here. Okay? If you're having trouble with this on your homework, don't worry. We're going to practice this some more together as the lessons go on for the rest of the week and the week before winter break next week, okay? You just try your best to do this. The most important part is that you think about what your one more number is going to be in number order, okay? Whenever you're done doing your homework, make sure you send me a picture on Seesaw. Tomorrow is going to be a different kind of day of school as well. I'm going to be meeting with some friends to talk about some letters and numbers and counting and days of the week and all that good stuff. If you didn't get a turn yet, your turn might be tomorrow. I still have a few kids I'm meeting with the following week. You all have some work to do while I am not in class again. Tomorrow, your job is going to be to work on this Scholastic magazine, Holiday Needs and Wants. And some kids have the colored one, some kids have black and white because the mail didn't come in time, remember? Okay. And you also have an activity sheet that you need to do for me. All kids are also responsible for going on IXL for 10 minutes and for going on Super Kids for 10 minutes tomorrow. I can see who's going on and playing. Some of us have not been doing that. It's your job tomorrow when Mrs. Sheenhofen's not in class to go on your IXL and your Super Kids and play, okay? And when you go on IXL, friends, at the bottom you'll see a little gold star. I want you to touch the gold star and play the games that are by the gold star. Those are ones Mrs. Sheenhofen picked for you that help us with what we're learning in school, okay? I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I will see some friends tomorrow for one-on-ones, and I will see everybody for a regular day of school on Thursday, okay? Have a fantastic day, everybody. Great job.